Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Temu shopping app. Okay, now let's get started. We need to open our Play Store. So you go to your Play Store. As an Android user, you go to your Play Store, and if you are an iPhone user, you use iPhone, you go to your App Store and go and search for Temu. You're gonna see Temu. You can see Temu more here. You just click on the Temu. You're going to see Temu shopping more. You can see here. Just click on install. And we're going to install it. It's very simple. So let's get started. Okay, it is starting installing. It's where you can shop. It's very easy. You wanna buy anything online, very access. You can order easily, get your things very easily, directly order, and they will deliver directly to your doorstep. Very easy. So guys, let's wait for it. It's been installing. You can see very simple. Well, it was install finish. You can see that. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. See you in our next video. Thank you guys.